Masala macaroni is one such recipe which can be prepared instantly, and it goes well for breakfast, lunch and snacks. As you can see in this video, it looks very tasty and spicy. So let's check out the ingredients. In a pan, add 2 glasses of water. 1 cup macaroni, 1/4 tsp salt and cook for 10 minutes. As you can see, macaroni is ready now, so let's strain the boiled macaroni. In a separate pan, add 3 tbsp oil, 1 tsp green chili paste, 1 tsp ginger garlic paste and fry for a minute on low flame. 1 finely chopped onion and fry until slight brown on low flame. 1 finely chopped tomato and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Half finely chopped capsicum, 1 tsp chili flakes, 1 tsp oregano, 1/4 tsp garam masala, half tsp salt, 2 tsp red chili sauce, 1.5 tbsp tomato sauce. Now mix well. And add the strained macaroni. Give it a good mix and make sure that you do not break the macaroni. Finally, garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Tasty masala macaroni is now ready to serve. Best served when hot. Isn't it looking tasty? If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel for more related videos.